Alright, so I'm about to start up the Lincoln. I just got exhaust work done. You can see there are no tips out the back anymore. It's actually cut like right behind. Now it pretty much looks like a muffler delete. That's where it was cut, just like it was a muffler delete. There's no resonators just like before, but this time I did go with, like I said in my last video, I was gonna do the X pipe and the H pipe, and I did. So it's in there right now. I'll show you what it looks like under it in a second. But yeah, I got the X pipe put on before the H pipe, and I think it sounds pretty good as of now. Now when I get tips put on, I just want to see what the difference is, so I'm making this video now and be able to tell between videos how it sounds with the tips on and now. Pipe right there, and the X pipe kind of goes down a little bit, and it's a little farther down right there. There's the H pipe. That's a stock H pipe. I just kept it on, didn't get it replaced or anything. That would have cost more. So go up under here, and there's the X, and there's the H. As you can see, they're both under there. I'm gonna do a little revs, and I'll do probably an inside driving video. Probably add it onto this one, and then do outside on another video. To me, it sounds like it might be a little bit more raspy than just the X pipe by itself. I've noticed if I keep it in drive, when I drive like regular, it kind of sounds like a truck. When I just put the gas on it just a little bit. Yeah, it's just a little bit of rasp, but you can still hear a lot of like low end with a little bit of rasp. I guess that's the H pipe and the X pipe mixing together, so you can kind of hear both at the same time. Alright, so I got it in stick mode, manual mode, and gonna wait for these cars to pass real quick. Alright, when pretty much like it's got a lot more rasp than just the X pipe itself, which I didn't expect, but at low end it's pretty low until you get about 4,000. Then you have a bunch of back pressure when you let off about a red line. I think that it's a lot of back pressure because of it having no tips, because it did that when I just did the muffler delete, and when I did my resonator delete with X pipes, it always had tips, so you know I can't really tell until I get tips. But this time I'm gonna run some dual tips on it instead of just single tips, which I'm not sure if it being a while will do anything, but you know, probably in the next couple of weeks I'll get that on there